Hello guys and welcome back to Excel Share Academy. So there was certain delay in the making of these questions, making the videos. I was not able to upload. I actually took the vaccine shot and my body was aching a lot. So I was not able to, make the videos. So anyways, right now I'm back with my good health. So let us continue with all the interview series as well as the lecture series. Okay, so today's question is, would proteasome inhibitors will affect the notch signaling or not? Guys, this is like, from the previous question, we have talked about the proteasome inhibitors, how it is affecting the NF-kappa B signaling. Now, similar question is about the notch signaling. Now, अभी यहाँ पे कैसा है कि you need to remember again, like notch signaling में क्या होता है, right? So, if you remember, there's something called gamma secretase. अगर आपको याद है, so it is the gamma secretase which actually chop off the notch from the attached. Suppose this is the plasma membrane, your notch signal is over here, right? So it makes a cleavage over here, and this is free now, the notch protein. So now this is going to act. तो यहाँ पे proteasome का कुछ काम नहीं है, ठीक है? So to make it more clear, I've got the signaling pathway of notch signal. Okay, so look at the diagram over here. So as you can see over here, we have got the notch, which is a transmembrane protein, and here you have got the extended C terminal of the notch, right? Now, then we have got the gamma secretase. So whenever the delta which comes in binds to the notch, gamma secretase gets activated and is chopped up from here. Now, this intracellular domain of the notch is now finally able to enter into the cytosol, where it goes in binds to the CSL and having the gene expression. So यहाँ पे you don't have any role of proteasome inhibitor, or sorry, the role of proteasome. So even if you add inhibitor, it is not going to affect the notch signal. So the answer is no. No, the proteasome inhibitor is not going to affect the notch signal. ठीक है, बहुत ही सिंपल था, बहुत ही डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन था, राइट? अब इसमें क्या हो जाता है, आपको सिग्नल पाथवे याद होना चाहिए. So again, I am going to repeat that. Study with the help of the diagram. Okay, guys. So that's all for today. Hope you're liking this video. The series is going to really benefit you. So I wish all the best to all of you guys who are preparing for the interviews. All the best, guys.